Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, very exciting moment in a Gaza Nation. Unseen photo of the teacher, never before seen photo. And the teacher look easy, viewers and subscribers, headphones in ears. And guess what I'm listening to? The new track where just dropped. Titled Tony Montana Dancehall has been waiting. Big up the whole Clarendon, viewers and subscribers. Yes, T100 Records Turbo. You know how the something go on and nothing normal. Big up the whole Clarendon, as I was say. Big up the whole West. Big up the whole West Kingston. CM Speed. Now the track, viewers and subscribers. The post and the caption reads simple. The artist said me delete this by accident and all the accident. I love Africa, Kenya, Guyana, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Botswana. In a South Africa, Shaka Zulu full of honor. Big up Shaka Zulu. Him refused to be called Toby. But yo, me rate that movie there. Him say Egypt are our place. Four corner, God concept, governance. The Black Madonna. For those who are wondering what that means, viewers and subscribers. Pharaoh four corner, deep reasoning, the God concept, governance of oneself and mind. Higher ascension of being. Some say deeper than that. The God within mind, viewers and subscribers. And the Black Madonna is a statue or a painting in which Mary, the Virgin Mary, is depicted as being black, viewers and subscribers. Powerful reason. The artist said no believe in a Black History Month, and I agree with him, because as long as we are here to celebrate, every month is a Black History Month. And I notice that them have reggae month and them leave off dancehall from it. What is with that? It should be reggae and dancehall month. Are they still trying to say dancehall is a part of reggae? Are we celebrating reggae and not dancehall? What is taking place? Let's get into the music though. Jeffrey Dahmer. The artist say, yo, nyam boy food, but not like him. Of course, not like Jeffrey Dahmer. For those who are wondering who Jeffrey Dahmer is, also known as the Milwaukee Cannibal, viewers and subscribers, in the years of 1978 to 1999, it is reported that he dismembered, viewers and subscribers, 17 men and boys. And not normal with nyam boy food, but of course not like Jeffrey Dahmer. Now my favorite line from the track, viewers and subscribers, in a line in which Vybz Kartel say, up in the pyramid, I kick it like Mesam. How the Pharaoh look, I go to war with all peasant. And some people feel like say them as the artist are same rich and the other artists them poor. No, a peasant is also someone of an uneducated person of low status. And in the dancehall music right now, the MVP, viewers and subscribers, are at their lowest rating nationwide right now. They must say are the worst Rasta group in the dancehall music right now. I saw people say, and me say that at the streets, I say that, viewers and subscribers. The artist followed by saying, hey boy, remember when it started now go done pleasant. You for know ain't no forgiveness for the transgression. Celtic weapon spit 7 every second. Left hand straight, one in a chin, not Tessan. Tommy gonna echo. Grand Canyon in session. Now viewers and subscribers, the Grand Canyon, definitely one of the wonders of the world. Them say a water channel through the mountain and do it. So when we talk about echo, definitely a place where the echo wouldn't be normal. The artist said them not bad. Them just a give the impression. Remember when my locked down old harbor with Keshan? Everything lift up all 38 special. Viewers and subscribers, this is a quick reminder to the fans that when we talk about Vybz Kartel, he is in a league of his own. The boss not in a no league with no other artists, viewers and subscribers. They can't catch up on the corner. The artist say, if you even make it past the front and the yard, you have a skill now. It might count. But as to make it all the way through and reach up to the boss, impossible. It is impossible. For you reach to the level with the teacher, that is even a subliminal within itself. For you make it past all of the other artists that we are doing right now in dancehall music to come reach up there for say, yo, you in caliber are in leagues with the teacher, viewers and subscribers. Either for past the whole heap of other artists, these artists can't make it even past themselves. Because we have rarely seen an artist maintain the level of stardom what the Vybz Kartel maintain. Meaning say, at one moment in time, everybody has say, yeah man, that song there's a good song. I could say I can follow it up with. And the teacher alone will say follow up hit songs with hit songs with hit songs. You normally see artists drop about a good song and you say that song it ready. The other song when him drop, not so much. Vybz Kartel is unique, viewers and subscribers, and artists, so we see continuously drop music even of different subject matter. The teacher will drop a song for the ladies right now, and in the same day drop a song on the serum rhythm and talk about something else and still hit simultaneously. Talk about another artist we used to do that. Vybz Kartel is the pioneer of this. There's a time when broadcast said you can't just bleep out certain things. They don't want to bleep in the song, and the teacher changed that. The teacher said, alright, we're not going to blame it. We're not going to bleep the words. We're going to replace the words. And still convey the same idiom of the song. We're going to change the words and use some words in replacement. And still people will catch the vibe and understand what we are talking about. And I see the teacher do that. And you have some people who love the clean version of the song. I know some big woman, but they hear the raw version and they must say, yo, you know what I mean? Them like it, see me, but, you know, they wonder how it look for people, so they might listen to it and I will vibe, you know what I mean? I come from work, and you know what I mean? Things of that nature, whatever the case may be, in them place and business, whatever the case may be. The clean version, though, yeah, the teacher put some creativity, some extra creativity, and remix the whole dancehall landscape, and know that it's just a part of the thing. If you can drop a radio version, a clean version, there's no bleeps. If I replace the words with other words and still convey the idiom of the song. The teacher pioneered that in a dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. Start now, man. Some people are curious, so wait, I talk about Vybz Kartel, so. Like say Vybz Kartel, listen to me. We big up all dancehall artists, except the peasants. But other than that, we respect all dancehall artists, viewers and subscribers, and this is what we must say and must acknowledge. Vybz Kartel is not just a leader but also an inspirational factor in a dancehall music. The teacher inspires not only other artists but also producers for push the envelope, push the boundary, make dancehall music that much better, that it not get stagnant. Every time I hear other artists talk about Vybz Kartel, I realize a real thing what Bourgeois said. This was not just a statement that Bourgeois make just for catch a reaction. Him said the artist stimulate the thought process, and it's true. The way the artist articulate himself, even in our interviews and also on track, in our music, it make other artists feel like say, wait, I can express that one, I just express differently. And push creativity even in a artistic level, viewers and subscribers. We need the teacher road. We need the teacher released, viewers and subscribers. Me and talk the truth. The artists go hard in that one here. But now go around here. Historical gems. Historical references. Elevating the mind. Stimulating the thought process. The artists go extremely hard in that one here. I can't go around it. There is no going around that. That is fact. That is fact at this moment in time. Tony Montana drop and levitate up the charts, viewers and subscribers. Literally levitate up the charts. No ladder. Boss no need at no point in time. From song drop, song hot, people listen to it. It shall be trending. That track here, as I'm say, big up the whole production, T100 Records, you know the something, but big up the whole Clarendon, the artists, big up the artists big up the whole parish. The artists big up the whole of West Kingston to same speed. Whole about the whole place represented, viewers and subscribers. Him say what them know about country badness. What them know about it? Some people they have now venture out of the town. Them will last. Them support small. The teacher, viewers and subscribers, support for Vybz Kartel is a worldwide phenomenon. You can go in any country where dancehall music is played, and even if your favorite artist is not known there, and only the legends are known, them only know the legends. Them always say legends in the music from Jamaica. Them only know the Bobs, the Bujus. You know what I mean? Them only know the garnet silks, them only know the super cats, them only know the shabbas, you know what I mean? Them only know the legends, the bounties, you know what I mean? Maybe the beanies, so yeah, cause they know beanies some places. Them are gonna know Vybz Kartel. Your favorite artist might not be known there, but Vybz Kartel music will be known there and will be something that is being played. By the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And for those who are new to the channel, just a pass through, and for even those who watch a couple times and now we don't mind, time to make the decision. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. Yes, leave a like on the vlog for me, like with your ear viewers and subscribers. The like icon is there. The share icon is also there as well. So you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother, them anywhere them there in the world or anywhere in the world you are at this moment in time, and you can all join the discussion. As I said, the share icon there, so share the video. The discussion can be held in the comment section. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. Utmost settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, if you wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.